Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kristi, and this is my Easy Summer Recipe series. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you went ahead and done so. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you comment below. Today, I'm going to be sharing an easy macaroni salad recipe. Complete recipe will be listed below in the description box. Ingredients needed for this recipe are elbow noodles, mayonnaise, mustard, cucumber, and assorted peppers. I chose yellow, red, and orange. First, I start off by boiling my Barilla elbow noodles. This is the 1 pound package. I'm one of those rare people that does not like al dente noodles, so I get my noodles completely done. Just cook your noodles to your preference. Once complete, strain your noodles and rinse in cold water. This stops the cooking process. I'm using the chopping mats I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I love these. I'm going to start chopping up my peppers. Again, I'm using the yellow, orange, and red. These are my favorite peppers to use, and these are a sweet pepper. You need to dice your peppers and remove the seeds. If anybody has any tip on how to make this process easier, please fill me in. I feel the 3 different colored peppers, when mixed in the macaroni salad, makes it look more appetizing. Your goal here is to chop up enough for 1 full cup. You're going to want to peel your cucumber and then also dice it into small pieces. I always use the seedless cucumbers, but use whichever you prefer. You will be adding 1/2 cup of cucumbers to the macaroni salad. I use 1½ cups of mayonnaise. Then I add 3 tablespoons of mustard into a bowl with the mayonnaise and then mix them up really good. I let the macaroni noodles sit in the strainer just to get all the excess water off. Then I add that to the bowl with the mayonnaise and mustard. I add salt and pepper. Use as much as you prefer. Last, I add in my 1 cup of chopped peppers and my 1/2 cup of cucumbers and mix well. There are several different variations to this recipe. When my mom makes it, she adds 3 drops of white vinegar and also sugar. I like to refrigerate my macaroni salad in a covered bowl overnight. I feel like it gives it plenty enough time for all the flavors to come together. And that is my easy macaroni salad. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope everyone is having a great summer. Until next time, bye.